Daddy, see, 14th now is for Valentine. I have to go and marry. You check it now. If you check it now, so all my friends have already married. Obila Gans now, 14th now is gonna go and celebrate the traditional wedding in Amako. Emenike Super Eagle from Umak. Don't you know Emenike from Umak?
I know.
I have to do something.
That player.
Hello.
Beautiful girl. Hey!
You want to marry?
I want to marry. And on 14th now, Obina Agans is celebrating in traditional wedding at Amako. So I have to carry you go. Never and tie.
Is it fit for you?
Please excuse me.
Hey! Hey!
No, what you go do?
On a call.
No, what you go do?
On a call. I'm all.
I check. I cook.
Father, on a call. I don't finish this
What
work.
you go do, I beg?
Nanya. Somebody know they know.
Shaping yourself.
I will show myself.
Shaping yourself, man.
See you now.
Because of myself.
So that women let me say any woman wey you see say one marry.
I don't get belle. That because of you get belle.
Let me say any woman wey you see say one marry. Shaping yourself so that you can agree.
You go make a pre-arrangement.
I don't come on.
I don't come out.
If you don't get money, don't look beautiful son. Hey, on 14th now, Obina Gans celebrating wedding. On 14th February, effort to me also.